Hey guys, Fun Kids Collection is here, and today we're gonna see together this Bowtastic shopping basket set from Minnie Mouse. Look at that! Full of hearts, a nice and pink basket. There are lots of groceries. Let's see them one by one. Look! We've got everything out of the box. So many things. This is a piece of cake. We split it in two pieces. Minnie Mouse cake. This is Minnie Mouse knife. Raspberry pie. And you can stick it back. This is Minnie Mouse cookies. It's empty. Minnie Mouse grape juice. It's a purple can. And the bow on the lid. Super cute. This is Minnie Mouse tomato sauce. Minnie Mouse orange juice. Next item is croissant. Two strawberries. Minnie Mouse pink cupcake. Yummy, yummy. Minnie Mouse bread. This is Minnie Mouse milk. And the last one is Minnie Mouse apple. Very cute. Strawberry, croissant, bread, milk, orange juice, tomato sauce, pie, cupcake, grape juice, raspberry pie, cookies, green apple, checklist, and the knife. Well guys, this was everything we had prepared for you today. Thank you for watching our videos and stay tuned for a lot more Minnie Mouse toy surprises right here on funkidscollection.com. We'll see you next time. Until then, enjoy it!